Today I'm cooking the signature Thai dessert, mango sticky rice. It is very delicious and simple to cook. This recipe is for 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of premium grade sticky rice or glutinous rice from Thailand. In Malaysia, we call it pulut susu. I recommend using pulut susu as it is softer, whiter in color, and looks better in the finished product. Prepare the glutinous rice before cooking. Soak it for 6 hours or overnight in 1.5 liters of water. This is what glutinous rice that has been soaked overnight looks like. Ripe mango, 10 to 12 pandan leaves, 700 ml of concentrated freshly squeezed coconut milk, 500 ml to cook with the glutinous rice, 200 ml to make the coconut sauce, 200 grams of granulated sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, and 1 tablespoon of fried mung beans. The links of how to make fried mung beans, ingredients and measurements are in the See More link. Start with washing the glutinous rice. The water from the first wash is always cloudy. Throw the waters and continue washing until the water is clear. After the 6th wash, see the water is super clear. Give it a final rinse to drain off the water. See, the glutinous rice looks so white and beautiful. Next, steam the glutinous rice. Put the muslin cloth on the steamer. Place 6 to 8 pandan leaves on the muslin cloth and the glutinous rice on the pandan leaves. Make a hole in the center to allow the steam to pass through to evenly cook it. Cover the glutinous rice with muslin cloth. Put the steamer over the hot boiling water. Cover it and steam it for 25 minutes. 5 minutes before glutinous rice is cooked, prepare the coconut milk. Put 2 pandan leaves in a small pot and quarter teaspoon of salt, 500 ml of concentrated coconut milk, and 170 grams of granulated sugar. Switch on the heat to medium. Stir the coconut milk and mix until sugar has dissolved. Continuously stir for 4 minutes. Do not allow coconut to boil vigorously as we don't want it to curdle. If it is boiling with bubbles, reduce and switch off the heat while stirring. After 4 minutes, the coconut is cooked and ready. Remove pandan leaves. Cover the pot to retain the heat and put it aside. After 25 minutes, the glutinous rice is cooked and ready. Switch off the heat, remove it from the steamer and place it on the tray. Discard all the pandan leaf. Use a spatula to give a couple of turns to release the steam from the glutinous rice. This should be enough. Put them all in a large mixing bowl. Strain 400 ml of hot coconut mixture over the glutinous rice. Leave about 100 ml in case it will be too much. Stir and mix until well combined. Alright. Add the balance of 100 ml of coconut mixture in the mixing bowl. Stir and mix again. As you can see, there is a lot of coconut milk and the mixture looks watery. This is okay as once the glutinous rice absorbs the coconut milk, it will become thicker and perfect. Okay, it is well mixed now. Cover the mixing bowl and leave it aside to set for 10 minutes. Now cooking the coconut topping sauce. Put 200 ml of concentrated coconut milk in the pot, 30 grams of granulated sugar, and half tablespoon of tapioca flour. Stir and mix until the flour has dissolved. Add in 2 pandan leaves. Switch on the heat to cook the coconut sauce for 3 minutes. While cooking for 2 minutes, please do not stop stirring as the coconut milk and tapioca flour can clump together and become lumpy. After 2 minutes, switch off the heat while continuously stirring the coconut milk. Remove the pandan leaves. See, The coconut milk has become thicker and very smooth. It's very beautiful. This consistency is perfect. Transfer it into a bowl and leave it aside. After 10 minutes, the glutinous rice is ready. Stir and use the spatula to mold it properly so it looks appetizing. Alright, the glutinous rice is ready. Let's cut the mango. Remove the skin and cut it into half. And then cut into bite-sized pieces. Alright, all done. These are the mango cut from 2 fruits. Let's dish out and serve. Take a good amount of glutinous rice and put it on the serving plate. Place some cut mango on the side. Top the glutinous rice with 1 tablespoon of coconut sauce. And another tablespoon on the mango. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of crispy fried mung beans on the top of glutinous rice. This looks so appetizing. I am going to prepare 1 more serving now. Let's eat! Oh wow! It is so good! The glutinous rice is so soft, sweet and very creamy with the fragrance of fresh coconut milk and the pandan leaves. Pair it with ripe mango and crispy fried mung bean. It's heaven. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.